Alright guys, so I'm unboxing this another abusive return from Meenakshi Bhargava, MD35, Eldeco mentions Sector 48 Gurugram. She ordered one processor. They did a strict QA before dispatch and they claimed to have received a processor pin bend box. When we asked them to share the photograph and we offered them to fix those pins, she simply blocked me on WhatsApp telling me to do the replacement without sharing the photographs and videos as we had originally sought before dispatch. We have very clear instructions, we have very clear terms and conditions for our customers. They need to do unboxing video capturing the serial number and approach us for any issues while sharing those videos and photos. See, this is how Amazon brings these boxes, the retail boxes. We ship after bubble wrapping and cardboard packaging, double cardboard packaging, and this is how the return is done without any protection. The retail boxes are being damaged and tampered with like this while customer blatantly abuses. This is the retail box. It's open, it's not even packed. They've completely damaged the box itself. Original retail boxes get damaged completely, making the product completely unsellable. And if the processor itself is damaged, then it's a complete loss to us. See how they have brought this. The processor itself is nowhere to be seen, found. I don't think there is any processor inside. Seems like an empty box is returned to us. This is how they have returned it, completely damaging the processor, claiming that the pins are bent. See how they have bent the pins. Look at the way they have damaged it. I don't know which processor they have sent. And of course, since the heatsink is there, the original fan which we sent is also obviously completely gone. See, this is how they have returned it. The top portion of it is also missing, the fan. And this thing is damaged, making it a complete garbage. Now I'll have to check what processor is returned to us, whether it's the same processor we dispatched or something else. We'll need to verify the serial number, what they have sent. Now I can see the serial number at least. Still dirty. Okay, now I can see it. Let me see what's there on the box. I think the serial number is matching from with the box, but I don't understand how the pins are so much damaged. There is no reason for such heavy damage on the pins in transit. Of course, these people have damaged it while installing. I'm not sure if some pins are broken or something. This is really absurd. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.